Welcome to our quick guide on finding all the shared documents on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you're hopping on WhatsApp Web and want to locate every document that's been shared in your chats, there's a straightforward path that keeps things organized. Start by opening WhatsApp Web in your browser and scanning your conversations for anything you've shared or received. The platform now emphasizes an easier way to access media and documents without digging through individual chats. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the media icon, which represents all shared content in aggregate rather than item by item. A single click on this icon opens a dedicated hub where WhatsApp collects photos, videos, and documents from all your chats in one place. This central location saves time and eliminates the need to scroll through hundreds of messages. Within this hub, you'll notice subcategories to help you filter content. To specifically find documents, select the Docs category. This view narrows the results to just PDFs, or Word files, spreadsheets, presentations, and other document formats that have been uploaded or received in your chats. You can scroll through the list to review each file, or use the browser's built-in search function to locate a document by name. If you're looking for a particular document, you can further refine by date or file type if those options are available in your version. Clicking a document opens it directly in a preview pane or prompts you to download, depending on your browser settings. From there, you can choose to open, save, or share the file with others who have access to the chat where it originated. A key tip is to keep your WhatsApp web page updated. Updates often bring UI refinements, so if you don't see the docs filter right away, refresh the page or check for a pending browser update. Exploring this centralized docs view not only helps you reclaim lost files, but also makes collaboration smoother when you're coordinating with teammates or friends. That's all there is to it. With the Media Hub and the Docs filter, you can quickly locate every shared document on WhatsApp Web without wading through stacks of messages.